fresh, healthy and homegrown microgreen which contain high density of vitamin, mineral and antioxidants. If you want to grow fresh microgreen even without your garden, let's grow microgreen with few simple tips and tricks. Let me share you before and after. Firstly, you will see that I have arranged all the microgreen seeds of different type, as all microgreen have all different type of nutrients in them. And here is the after result. Here you can see all the different type of microgreen have grown. Let me share you how we can grow them easily. We can grow microgreen in different shape and sizes of bowl, that is plastic, small or big one. We can also use steel plate or we can use bottom tray of pot. Our main objective is to collect good quality seed, not to spend money on any bowl or any container. We must always go for organic seed, as microgreen must be organic in nature. Here you can see the chemically treated seed will look very different, that is colorful red or green in nature, and normal seed will look pale or brown in color. To grow microgreen, container and soil is very important. In soil we are using coco peat, as coco peat does not allow fungus to grow very fast. Also it will retain moisture for longer period of time. And for container I have already told you that you can use any of them. Now the first one is wheatgrass, which is ultra nutrient rich, contain concentrated vitamin A, C, K and E and also essential minerals. It support in digestion, also it will improve the gut health. Wheatgrass contain essential enzymes which help in breaking down of foods, and also it will help in absorbing much part of the nutrients from your food. Consuming wheatgrass will boost your immune system, also it will protect yourself from getting damaged, and this will make you very energetic and you will feel full of energy whole day. Next is sarso or mustard. It is a superfood. It also give you lots of energy and also help in maintaining your hormonal balance. It promote good heart health as it is rich in vitamin A, C and K. Also it is rich in nutrients. If you want to detox your liver, start consuming this microgreen, as it will give you a healthy liver and also it will help in promoting your hair health. It means just consuming this microgreen you will get long and strong hairs, and also your eyesight will get improved. Mustard microgreen will boost your immune system and also it will feel full energy the whole day. Next is sunflower. Like all other microgreen, it contains essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals, but mainly it is consumed to improve your bone strength. If you consume it on daily basis, bone density will increase as it contains essential minerals such as calcium, phosphorus and magnesium and all other essential nutrients that makes your bone strong and healthy. Next is tagging of microgreen. As tagging of microgreen is very important, as different seeds have different type of germination. We can keep an eye on our microgreen and tagging will help you in this. I am using wooden spoon for tagging. If you have different, you can use them. Different seeds require different amount of moisture, so tagging will help you in this. Next is methi, which is easily available in our kitchen. It helps in digestion, also it helps in regulating sugar spikes. If you have any trouble in your stomach, just consume microgreen or the seeds of this methi directly. This will relax your stomach very fast. So in similar, we can consume all type of microgreen, especially radish, chakundar or beetroot, which are full of nutrients, and also we can grow palak or spinach. Generally we eat its mature form, but growing microgreen in 2 cm soil with 2 set of leaves which contain high amount of nutrients. They actually are superfood which you should include in your daily diet. The important point is that they have active nutrients if freshly consumed. In simple words, they have high quality of nutrients in comparison of their mature form. Now let me share you how we can water our microgreen. Here we have 3 options in which we can select a watering can with a shower head, but it will mess everything. Now the second one with less water flow, and the third one is with the help of pressure pump, or we can say the water spray pump. I will go for this one as it will spray water evenly. Giving water through spray will not disturb your seeds and they will grow very fast. Microgreen location. See, generally we will get microgreen harvest within 3 to 5 days. So we have to select a location near window which receive plenty of lights, or keep it in a place where it receive plenty of bright light so that seed germination will get very fast. Remember, don't keep it in full dark condition and also don't place it in full sunlight. D4, and here you can see my microgreen has started growing. Actually wheatgrass is growing very fast. Now the main important point is that where we have to keep our microgreen. I have kept my microgreen on a stand which is just near my open space where it receives plenty of sunlight. But you have to keep your microgreen on a particular place and try not to move them, as it can affect the growth of your microgreen. So best is to select a place or a stand so that you can grow your microgreen. Once you have started microgreen growing, you can continue grow throughout the year, as they does not require any particular season. This will help you in making your diet complete diet so that you can get all type of vitamins, minerals and nutrients in your food. So here you can see a stand which is of iron, and you can easily get it from Amazon. Actually it is a shoe stand which I've got it from local store. You can easily get it from Amazon or Flipkart or any online store. D6, and you are seeing that my microgreen have grown much more bigger. Now you have to keep an eye on moisture in the soil. This is very important, as giving excess of moisture will allow fungus to grow, and if given less water then your microgreen may die. So what is the best time and how we can check Let me share you exactly when we can check our microgreen require water. Here you can see that cocoa peat is dry but our plant are standing very straight. It means they have enough amount of moisture. It means we have to give only a top up of mist so that our microgreen can continue grow for the next day. Yes, we have to water our microgreen every day. And remember, don't overwater your microgreen. Microgreen harvesting. Best time to harvest is when they produce true set of leaves. Means once they grow leaves, then only they will produce high quality of nutrients. Firstly, we have to wait for the leaves to grow. Once leaves have grown, then wait for 2 or more days so that leaves can store high amount of nutrients in them. Friends, this is a superfood which is different from normal food, which contain high amount of nutrition, high amount of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Actually, it contains active nutrients if freshly consumed. Just because of presence of high value of nutrition, if they are consumed with normal food, then it will improve the food quality overall and will make it nutrition rich food. Every microgreen have a different type of nutrients or minerals, so consume different type of microgreen on different days. How to harvest microgreen? Now we have to harvest our microgreen. Also, it has attained good height with true set of leaves. It means they are ready to harvest. Our wheatgrass is enough mature. We can use it in form of juice or in a form of powder. Remember, microgreen harvesting must be done in early morning, as at this time you will get best nutrition out of all your microgreens. Also, we have to take under consideration that the cutting tool must be fresh or sterilized before use. So here we have grown very low cost microgreen. If you purchase your microgreen from market, it will cost you or it will be very expensive, nearly 500 times. And see this, here we have grown fresh microgreen with very low cost. And also we can say that we have grown 100% organic, which is full of nutrient rich. Generally microgreen is grown for one time harvest only, and further they will not grow. Now you have to take this point in mind that after harvest, wash or rinse your microgreen thoroughly. This will remove all your dirt, fungus or any small insect from your microgreen. After harvest, consume freshly to get active nutrients. If you have enough of them, then you can store them in fridge. You know what? After I started consuming microgreen, I have seen a drastic change in my health, especially in energy. You will feel energy full day as you are consuming active nutrients in your diet. As microgreen complete your diet with all nutrients. Especially microgreen are beneficial to small kids because they require very high amount of energy all day. Also it will help in their brain development. You know what? If you give active nutrients in form of microgreen to your kids, their immunity will get boosted. Their brain development will be much more faster. You will come to know that your kids are getting stronger day by day. Also the health benefit is that it will improve your kids' digestion system. So consume microgreen every day. You will get 100% drastic change in your kids and also in yourself. Here you can see I'm mixing one of my microgreen in my Indian diet that is known as dokla. Wheatgrass. If you want to look young for longer time, also you want to improve your skin quality, if you want to improve your hair growth, then start drinking this green blood, means wheatgrass drink every morning. You know what? Consuming wheatgrass daily will detoxify your body, means this will improve or purify your blood. After this, it will clean liver also. It will remove all toxins from your body. It will also repair your kidney and liver damage. One more thing, that you can consume wheatgrass in powder form or in form of liquid. Wheatgrass is a microgreen that we can harvest for the second time also. Here is one question for you. I live in Rajasthan. I want to know from where you are watching my videos. So please comment down so that I can know that. If you like this video, please do like and also share with your family and friends members so that they can also cover their nutrition intakes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.